Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, children. Welcome to 8th Standard Science online class. Today we are going to discuss the numerical problems of lesson 3 in physics. Okay, children. So, the first question is, a body is pivoted at a point. A force of 10 Newton is applied at a distance of 1.4 meter from the pivot. Calculate the moment of the force about the pivot. So what is given? Force is given 10 Newton. What is force? 10 Newton. And distance. Distance is given, that is small letter r equal to 1.4 meters. What we have to find out? We have to calculate the momentum. Okay, we have to calculate the moment. So shall we? So the formula to find out the moment of force is equal to force into distance from the pivot. Okay, force into distance from the pivot. This is the formula. Force F into distance from the pivots R. So force, what is the force given? 10 Newton. And what is the distance given? 1.4 meter. Therefore, by applying the above formula, moment equal to F into R, that is force equal to 10N and that multiplied by 1.4 meter. What's the answer? Yes, that's correct. 14 Newton per meter. 14 Newton meter is the moment of force. The moment of force is equal to 14 Newton meter. Did you understand this problem? Very simple problem. By applying the formula, you can easily get the answer. Do you understood this, children? Okay. Now look at the second problem. The second problem is, a child weighing 120 Newton is sitting on one side of a seesaw at a distance of 1.5 meter from the pivot. Okay, where should a man weighing 14 Newton sit on the other side of the seesaw for rotational equilibrium? Okay, so what is the new force given? Force of the child is 120 Newton and the distance is 1.5 meter. Okay, 1.5 meter. Okay, children. So another, a man, what is the force of that man? The force of the man is 400 Newton. So what is the distance where he would sit on the seesaw in order to achieve this rotational equilibrium? Let us discuss. So the child is sitting at this point. The force of the child is 120 Newton and the distance between the pivot and the child's position is 1.5 meter. And the force of the man who is sitting on the other side of the seesaw is 400 Newton, and we have to find at which distance he is sitting. So we want to find out the R. So this is the question given, right? Yes. So we know that moment equal to. So we want to find out the moment. So first we are going to find out for the anti-clockwise moment. Okay, anti-clockwise moment we are going to find out, and the anti-clockwise moment we know the formula for moment, force into R, F into R, right? So what is the force given there? 120, and what about the distance? 1.5 meter. So when you multiply the both, you will get the answer 180 Newton meter. 180 Newton meter. Did you understand this? So we have calculated the moment for the child, that is for the anti-clockwise moment. That is an anti-clockwise moment. Okay, children. Now let us calculate for the man who is clockwise moment. The clockwise moment equal to the same formula, 400 Newton, isn't it? For the man, the force is 400 Newton and we have to find out the R. So how can you find out? We know that by apply the formula F into R, 400 into R equal to Newton, 180 Newton meter. This is how we know that for rotational equilibrium, we have to the both clockwise and anti-clockwise moment should be equal. Okay, both clockwise and anti-clockwise should be equal. So on applying this concept, 400 Newton into R meter is equal to 180 Newton meter. So from that we want to calculate R. So R equal to 180 divided by 400. You can cancel the zeros, you can cancel the newtons also. So when you divide 18 by 40, the answer is 0.45 meter. 0.45 meter. So see, Newton get cancelled. So what is left out in the unit? In the unit, meter is left out. So R is equal to 0.45 meter. Did you understood this problem, children? Hope you have understood.